I'm gonna flip this pool right here because it's a little low. We didn't fill it up all the way.
Watch out, guys. DJ, come look at earthworms.
Oh, there we go. It's a worm. Oh, dude, you dropped it. Do you not want it? Did you eat too much? You're walking like you ate too much. Hey, girls. One of you want a worm? Quit looking at it and just eat it. What the heck? Just eat the worm. You're stepping on it. DJ, last chance. Do you want it? He normally goes crazy over them. He's probably full. Oops. Good job. Goats are really weird. Yes, but you're sweet though. What's the point? Oh, Tucker's little bird friend's with him. Okay. We're gonna go look at Clay's feet first. We're gonna use the pick on it. Yes, this one. Yes, bigger little. Come on. Come on. Get it out. Here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pick it up. You're making it difficult on purpose, I know. Pick it up. Come on. What's going on with your lip? Get up. Get up. Tucker. Come on. Here. Come on. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. Pick it up. Alright, let's see if Toby will let me look at his feet since Tucker won't. Toby. Hey. Toby. Come here. Whoa. I thought he was about to bite me. The sunset's so pretty behind you, dude. What's with you giving me a hard time, Tucker? Huh? Who is that? You look sleepy, dude. What you doing? Oh. Get the ball. Turn your head. Who's a good boy? Oh, he's a good boy. You can tell everybody bye. Thanks for watching, and leave suggestions for any vlog ideas in the future. Good boy.